Beautiful sky.
Are you recording?
I am, yes.
Just to tell everybody, we were just going to stay at Perth and do a few sites in Perth, but we went into the park and ride and there was no space is big enough for a vehicle this big. So we're having to leave Perth because there's nowhere to park for us. So we're just going to a lay-by now, going to call it a day, and plan for tomorrow, which hopefully is going to be Dunfermline, providing we can park in Dunfermline.
Any clues as to what will be on the plan for tomorrow?
No.
Oh.
No, the thing about this, it's annoying this. We can't afford to do it, but the one thing I wanted to do in Dunfermline, and I've wanted to go for a long time, is Dunfermline Cathedral, where there's a lot of famous people buried, including, I believe, Robert the Bruce.
I thought we'd been to his grave, have we not?
No, we saw a little bit of his bone.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
He's buried in Dunfermline along with a lot of kings and famous people.
You have to pay to go into the cathedral?
I don't know how I read it. I think it says it's free, but it's one of them where, but we suggest you leave a donation of so much.
Okay.
And they're either £3 each or £6 each.
Oh wow, okay.
And then there's a little bit of a museum off that, which costs about £6. It all adds up.
Yeah.
So I'll have to reread that tonight, but I don't think that's going to be a possibility. We'll see. Anything else in Dunfermline? I think there was St Margaret's chair and St Margaret's stone, which sounded pretty interesting. Or cave, I don't know.
Okay.
Apart from that, I don't know anything.
Well, we'll get back. We'll make some grub.
What are we going to have to eat tonight, Mazzy?
Oh. He's asked me for something silly. I've never ate it, ever seen it before, let alone cooked it before. It's hash brown.
It is not hash brown.
What is it?
Tonight, ladies and gentlemen, we're having corned beef hash.
Yeah. Now, as you're asking for corned beef hash, and I've never even seen it, let alone ate it or cooked it before, why don't we have a deep fried Dan video tonight?
No!
Everybody loves deep fried Dan.
Dan's got a lot of editing to do.
Okay. Worth a try. Worth a try. Oh.
I suppose now that you've mentioned it, we really should show them what corned beef hash is and how it's made. But we're not doing a deep fried Dan type thing, Mazzy.
Okay.
I'm just going to explain what it is. Right, you get some potatoes and you cut them into that shape.
Rinse the starch off.
I didn't tell you to rinse starch off.
No, you have to with potatoes.
Yeah, but you don't know how to make corned beef hash, you've told me.
I know how to boil a potato.
Well, in all my life, I've never rinsed a potato.
Well,
What,
you're gonna die.
What harm does starch do?
It's all sticky and horrible.
Is it? I've never even heard that before.
Bottled water.
Bottled water, yeah, I don't want any of that tap rubbish.
So really, we're doing this like not in a usual way you do it at home, because we're trying to use one pot.
Yeah, we're doing it in one pot to
Yeah.
save on washing up and washing up water and stuff. So basically, you just need to boil them. You don't want them too soft because they're going to be cooking again for another, I don't know, 10-15 minutes. But yeah, get them so that they're cooked. Parboil.
Look, if you look closely, it says a lot for your parking, doesn't it?
My parking?
Yeah, because all the water's leaning down that way.
No, it's just dodgy hob at the bottom. Not wrong with my parking. Just to show you where we're staying tonight, it's a lay-by. Quite a busy road, but it should be okay because you've got this grass verge here. Plenty of room for lorries to get past and park behind us. But we prefer these, don't we? We've been talking about it.
Yeah.
We don't mind lay-bys at all. You feel more comfortable in a lay-by than in a lot of car parks.
Yeah.
You don't feel as if you're doing anything wrong. So the potatoes are bubbling thing. Yeah. A tin of corned beef, just cut it all into big cubey bits, and a nice tin of peas and carrots. Doesn't have to be a tin, don't have to include carrots, but I would certainly recommend peas. Bit of gravy, and we're good to go.
I just know the onion.
Oh yeah, we've got onion to do as well, haven't we?
Yeah.
Yeah, I do like. I never used to like onion, you know.
Didn't you?
I wouldn't touch onion. I used to, when my mum used to make this,
Yeah.
I'd pick all the onion out.
Why?
And leave it at the side, because I never liked onion till I was about 20, and now it's one of my favourite things ever.
Look what we bought today, guys.
What did we buy today?
It's like...
Oh yeah.
Well, I don't know what it is. It says a dumpling slice.
Scotch dumpling slices. We've never heard of them, so we thought we'd try them, because they're only about 80 pence, weren't they? Something like that.
Is that cheap?
55 pence, something cheap.
It said nice with a cup of tea.
I can't read that. Each slice is packed to the brim with fruit and spices. Great with a cuppa.
Oh, you're actually supposed to cook these, babe.
Really? It says. It actually says on there. Or as part of a Scottish breakfast.
Weird.
Cooked.
Well, we'll try them.
Yeah, that'll be nice.
Let you know. So potatoes are parboiled, 10 minutes, and I'm going to use the same water and just soften the onions. Babe, the police is there.
Well done, Mazzy.
Police again. So how did that go? What happened?
Well, it went tragically, didn't it?
Well, why did it?
She said, she came over and she was basically saying, have you been here long?
I said no, 10 minutes, which we had been.
Correct. And she says, oh, it's just that somebody called us about 11 o'clock this morning. There was a camper van which looked like it had been abandoned or here a long time or something.
I think she was saying overnight, actually.
At 11 o'clock this morning? No, I think it was just because it had been here a long time and it looked like no one was there.
Yeah.
So she was just checking.
Yeah.
And I said, no, we've just got here, we're alright. But then you says, yeah, we're just having us dinner and then we're going. So now you're making me think that we have to go.
So I'm at the stage now. Dan's told me I've got to mix it all in together. I've softened the onions and then just add the potatoes last.
And then still mix it all together again.
Still mix it, yeah?
Mix it all together again and then put it on a nice big plate or in a nice big bowl for me.
Okay.
And then bring it to me and I'll show you what to do with it afterwards.
Okay. There we go. So nearly ready to dish up. I'll tell you what, Dan makes me to make him some peculiar stuff. So this has been simmering now for 15 minutes. I'm ready to dish Dan up. Are you ready for it?
And there it is, people. Corned beef hash. You know, you might be looking at it if you've not from, you know, if you've never heard of it. Mazzy hasn't heard of it, which amazes me. I thought everyone in Britain had heard of this dish. You might be looking at it and thinking, ugh, that doesn't look very nice. Trust me, try it. It is absolutely beautiful. And the best part about it is you can have a pan full and just keep going back to it for a few days. What have you got?
I've gone safe. Cheese and tomato roll.
Safe?
Yeah.
Each to their own, each to their own. You're not going to try any, no?
No, I'm okay, thank you. Is it okay though?
Well, you'd have to try it to find out.
No, I'm okay. Thank you.